connections. 10. Price and budget. Finally, consider your budget. Laptops come in various price ranges, and it's crucial to find one that offers the best features within your designated budget. While high-end laptops may have premium features, mid-range laptops also provide excellent value for money without compromising on performance. The Ultimate Laptop Buying Guide. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, a laptop has become an essential tool for both personal and professional use. The vast range of options available in the market can often leave buyers confused. However, fear not. This Ultimate Laptop Buying Guide is here to help you make an informed decision when purchasing the perfect device to meet your needs. 1. Determine your usage. Understanding your usage requirements is the first step towards selecting the right laptop. Consider whether you'll mainly use it for basic tasks like browsing the internet, sending emails, and word processing, or if you require more power for gaming, graphic design, or video editing. Your usage will dictate the specifications you should look out for. 2. Operating system. Decide which operating system, OS, aligns best with your needs. The three most popular choices are Windows, macOS, and Chromeos. Windows offers versatility and compatibility with a wide range of software, while macOS is known for its seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. Chromeos, on the other hand, is simple, fast, and ideal for users who prioritize web-based applications. 3. Size and portability. Consider the size and portability of the laptop to ensure it fits your lifestyle. Screen sizes typically range from 11 to 17 inches. If you need high portability, opt for an Ultrabook or a 2-in-1 convertible laptop with a smaller screen size. However, if you prioritize a larger display or require ample screen real estate for professional tasks, a 15 or 17-inch laptop might be a better fit. 4. Processor and performance. The processor is the brain of your laptop and influences its overall performance. Look for models with the latest generation processors from renowned brands like Intel or AMD. For basic tasks, an Intel Core i3 or AMD Ryzen 3 will suffice, while more demanding workloads call for a Core i5 or Ryzen 5. Gamers and professionals may consider a Core i7 or Ryzen 7 for smoother multitasking and improved performance. 5. RAM and storage. Random access memory, RAM, and storage are crucial factors to consider. 8 GB of RAM is recommended for most users, as it allows for smooth multitasking. However, if you're a power user, video editor, or gamer, consider upgrading to 16 GB or even 32 GB. As for storage, solid-state drives, SSDs, deliver faster boot times and responsiveness compared to traditional hard disk drives, HDDs. A combination of sufficient storage, preferably 256 GB or more, along with an SSD will provide an optimal balance between speed and capacity. 6. Graphics. For casual users, integrated graphics will suffice. However, if you're a gamer, graphic designer, or video editor, a dedicated graphics card is essential. NVIDIA GeForce and AMD Radeon are the leading manufacturers in this realm. Look for models with discrete graphics to ensure smooth running of graphic-intensive applications. 7. Battery life. Consider the battery life you'll need, especially if you're often on the go or frequently find yourself away from a power outlet. Manufacturers typically provide estimated battery life, but it's wise to check user reviews for real-world usage experiences. Look for laptops with a battery life of at least 8 to 10 hours to ensure uninterrupted usage throughout the day. 8. Display and resolution. The display quality affects your viewing experience and productivity. Look for laptops with IPS or OLED panels for vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. While a full HD 1080p resolution is standard and sufficient for most users, professionals requiring sharper visuals may opt for a laptop with a 4K display.